Hey, what's up XRP holder? So in this video we will predicate this coin to in August, can they be moving an upward or not. This month is very special for XRP because special experts and CEO says that my brothers to upcoming time we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore my brother, this month is going to be very special for all of you now. And definitely my friend, holders who is already invest my brother in those days, and especially they are hold now, so I'm 100% sure my brothers to upcoming time they will make you a millionaire now. And if you have any plan my brothers to invest my friend more, so I think these days it's going to be very good now because the price is very cheap now and you can easily buy it at very cheap price. So buy it, hold it, and just only you need to wait for the end of this month. I hope my brother at the end of month they will make you a millionaire now and they will give you a profit, because as you can see my brother, every coin will moving in upward direction at the end of month. Just only you can see here the XRP July, you can see here from 1 July to July 20, you can see my brother they will fails down. But in last 10 days, July 22, you can see here August 1, they will wake up and they will go in the moon now. So therefore I will tell you my brothers to absolutely every coin will moving in upward direction, because my brothers, especially when a short term investor they are starting selling in the start of month, so they will fails down. But when they are hold and they will my friends buy more and more, so they will definitely moving in upward direction. So I also my friend request for all of you to kindly, if you want to take a profit in the short time, so I think XRP is one of the good option. Kindly invest now, hold now, and I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time holder. If you have any question about XRP coin, so kindly ask now my friends without any doubt. And that's clear my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be increasing, and my opinion is to please hold. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Don't forget to like videos, subscribe channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.